Right, 27688 CN60 CVF on the 57 service to Exeter bus station.
You see what I mean? I know it's too low.
OUI 4678 and Torridge Rail replacements. 15963 YN14 OWR. Great Western Railway service from Exeter St.
Okay, now back to arrive. It's 15963 YN14 OWR.
15963 YN14 OWR on the Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's. Right, 15963 YN14 OWR not in service. Right, 76 OT1 N600 DLC on the Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. OUE 4678 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. One 15962 YN14 OWP on the Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's. Seven 1816 MX14 FTT Kisara Postal 872 to Anton Road. OU 17 OTB Redwood coaches. GRZ 338 Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's. Three 7117 YY14 WFH 98A from Litland. 37117 YY14 WFH 157 service to Sidmouth. Seven 1816 MX14 FTT Casara Constant 97 to London. Alright, now about to pass is LK55 KKU on the Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Alright. Three 7276 LK58 EDL on a Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's. Three 7033 YX63 LHP on the 58 service to Exeter bus station. $37,276 LK58 EDL on the Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.
It's alright, take your photo, buddy. We'll wait.
$76,022 N800 DLC on the T service to Woodbury. YX21 RYG Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Right, 76022 N800 DLC on the T service to Woodbury. LK55 KKU Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's.
YN14 OWP. Don't start talking yet. That's right.
Alright, 15962 YN14 OWP on the Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.
15966 YN14
Now arriving is 37276
Yep.
LK58 EDL On the Great Western Railway service from Exeter to St David's.
Western Railway service from Exeter to St David's. So that's it. Oh, listen to that flash.
LK55 KKU, Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.
It's supposed to be a 30 feet bar, so not 30. Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. LK58 EDL on the Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's.
47098. Huh?
You got company.
WAO4TXN. Four 7098 WAO4TXN 98 to Littleham. Fifteen 258 YN65 XDX 99 to Brixington via Braddon Court. 37117 YY14 WFH not in service. Three 6705 SF62 CHY.
Oh, you're going to fence? Keep it.
55 KKU, Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. GRZ 446. Doing God knows what.
Beeps.
Right. 37276. LK58 EDL. Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. $76,021 N600 DLC Great Western Railway service from Exeter St David's. OUI 4678 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's. Right, 76021 N600 DLC not in service. 15924 YN63 BWY on the Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's.